Rebekah!
Walk away.
Don't move!
Leave us now.
I can't. We're stuck here. Elijah, he has the White Oak stake.
I brought it for you, sister.
Get out of his sight. Your presence here only serves to anger him. Leave him to me now. Now I'm asking you, brother to brother. We end this nonsense now.
You would side with that traitor.
I am not choosing sides, but I will not allow you to hurt our sister.
We cannot leave this cemetery, Elijah. How long do you think you can defend her?
As long as it takes. By whatever means necessary.